Hello everybody, welcome to Arc with me. So today I'm going to show you the process or the documents, everything about JNFU counseling. So this is the official website which you can see, which is highlighted in blue color, and this is the notification which was given by JNFU, and you can register from 26th October to 2nd November. And while registering they will ask some questions and you should submit them. And the fees is for OCN BC is 1500, and for SC/ST candidates it is 800, and the payment is through online. And if you are having any questions, please go through www.jnfu.ac.in, and they gave a small notice here that no separate notification will be issued for counseling process. So I think this is the first and last notification issued by the JOSA. And after registering, I think the process will be through messaging and emails. So we will go to next page, and yeah, important dates. First one is issue of notification. Okay, second one is online registering. So 26th to 2nd November, 26th October to 2nd November, you should register. And third point is they will verify our certificates from 3rd to 10th October, and then if we did any mistake or if we uploaded any invalid document, they will just call or email us. And on 13th October they will release a rank. And next, web options and the website, and phase 1 is nothing but round 1. And next, on 18th, 19th, 20th November, you should go to a center, and there you should give your original certificates and they will just verify them. And also you should pay your tuition fees, and then your college is done and college counseling is done for those who got seat in phase 1. And in phase 2 you will get some colleges and you should choose them, and you should go to the reporting center on 25th and 26th, and you should show your all original documents or certificates, and you should pay the tuition fees. And then website you will get some guidelines, and also the classes will be started from 1st December or from in the month of December. And information to candidates, eligibility, you should be an Indian, and you should also mention that you are a local or non-local student, and you should pass your inter or 10+2 with PCM subject and diploma with max subject, and you should also qualify in NATA or JEE mains. And yeah, that's it. And here note, so if you wrote JEE and NATA, then you should submit your both scores, and they will check which score is best, and they will take that score. So this is the official website which is highlighted in blue color. And again I'm repeating, the fees is 1500 for OC and BC candidates, and for SC/ST candidates the fees is 800, and payment is through online. You can pay through credit cards or debit cards or internet banking. See, the registration fee once paid, it will not be refunded. Okay, next, help center, JNFU Counseling Center, Masuk Tank, Hyderabad, Telangana. You can go there and you can ask your doubts if you have any doubts and all. And certificates, coming to the certificates, NATA hall ticket or JEE mains hall ticket. If you wrote both, and then you can upload both. And next, NATA scorecard and JEE mains scorecard, Aadhaar card, provisional intermediate or diploma certificate. This certificate will be given by your institute, you can go and ask them. And intermediate memo or diploma memo, and SSC pass memo, means 10th memo or scorecard. or any certificate which has date of birth. Okay, and caste certificate if applicable, and income certificate, also study certificate. This will be also issued by your institute where you studied in your school or in college, and resident certificate, also employer certificate. And next, if you are in any special category or like PHCAP or any NCC, or I think if you are an NCC student, you can submit your certificates. If you got any sports, if you are any sports student, also you can give your certificates. And coming to this page, this is colleges which are there or which are affiliated with JNU FAU. First one is JNU FAU, CSI Institute, Sri Venkateshwara Vaishnav Mistro, Deccan, JNIAS, JBR, Aurora in Uppal and Banjara Hills, Ashoka School. So totally we are having 11 colleges which are affiliated with JNU FAU, and they will also verify our certificates, and you should all see this. Okay, just go through this PDF. I will share the link in the description below. And yeah, that's it. And if you're having any questions and doubts about this PDF, you can also contact me through Telegram, or you can also contact for these numbers between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And yeah, that's it about this PDF. So I will share the link for this PDF in the description. You can go and check it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, also share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Arc with me. Bye.